touch this. Fresh kicks in, fans got me like you got some more. I can see, get it like girl and catch this beat my strong thing. Hold my good beat, let me know it's going on. Oh my God! Yeah, pull up, and this is the beat that can't touch. You already know, can't touch this. What's the man? You can't touch this. You know the man's goes to sucker, can't touch this. Next song you really made him sing it over, it's on the beat now. They know, talking about him, talking about that your new house. And sings on slow, and passing the mic, going cut. To learn, it's gonna take, and it's gonna run, starts. You're going harder, you might as well quit. That's wrong because you know you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Get it! Get it! Fuck.
So hard. Go! Go! Can't do something you probably off to this way. You must move on your part of the t-shirt. Answer, you know, that's all you know. Yeah. Yeah. Screw back. Pick it up.
Get him! Get him! Oh shit, I wish I could get some feet. Look at him go! Look at him go! Get him! Get him!
Can't touch this.
They're trying to take the mic away.
Can't touch this.
Ah, shit! Yeah! Get him!
Oh, my cheeks hurt. I'm laughing too hard.
Now, what I never stop doing this.
Get him!
I know.
Yeah!